Today I'm going to be taking a look at a couple of DEWALT metal cutting blades. So over here, this is an 8-inch, this is a 6-inch, this is 14 teeth per inch, and this one is 18 teeth per inch. So this one should cut faster, this one should give you a better finish. And to test that, I'm going to be cutting the lids off of both these drums to make these into scrap barrels. I'm going to be using the 6-inch on the left, I'm going to be using the 8-inch on the right. So nice efficient cut, and that thing can keep on going. That is a good blade. And now for the 8-inch, 18 teeth per inch. So there we go, another great blade. Still got plenty of use out of it. They are both fine blades. So they both cut like butter, and they still both got plenty of time left on them. So either one of these blades would be perfectly fine. So you can just kind of get a look at what that edge looks like. I would want to clean that up with probably a sanding disc or something like that if there's going to be something I was going to be keeping. But on the 18 TPI, it is basically the same thing. It is a better finish, I would say, a little bit, but either way, you're going to want to clean this up if you're going to be making a final product that you're going to actually be using. But yeah, these are great blades to have in your set. I'm definitely going to be using those.